Decluttering your wardrobe doesn't have to be daunting. Here are 10 simple ways to streamline your closet without feeling over. 6. Utilize storage solutions. Maximizing your closet space with the right storage solutions can make a significant difference in how organized and clutter-free your wardrobe appears. Invest in quality hangers, shelves, and bins to efficiently store and display your clothing items. Use slimline hangers to save space, stackable bins for storing accessories or out-of-season items, and adjustable shelving to accommodate different types of clothing and accessories. 7. Try the KonMari Method. Popularized by Marie Kondo, the KonMari Method encourages you to keep only items that spark joy. As you declutter your wardrobe, hold each item in your hands and ask yourself if it brings you joy or serves a purpose in your life. If the answer is no, thank the item for its service and let it go. This mindful approach to decluttering helps you create a wardrobe filled with items that you truly love and cherish. 8. Regular maintenance. Decluttering your wardrobe is not a one-time task. It requires regular maintenance to ensure that clutter doesn't creep back in. Schedule quarterly or seasonal wardrobe assessments to review your clothing inventory, identify items that are no longer serving you, and make necessary adjustments. By staying proactive with your decluttering efforts, you can prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a streamlined wardrobe year-round. 9. Donate responsibly. When decluttering your wardrobe, consider donating gently used clothing to local charities, shelters, or clothing drives. By giving your items a new life with someone in need, you contribute to a more sustainable and compassionate fashion industry. Research organizations in your community that accept clothing donations and ensure that your items are clean, in good condition, and suitable for donation. 10. Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism goes beyond just decluttering your wardrobe. It's a lifestyle mindset that prioritizes simplicity, intentionality, and mindfulness. Curate a wardrobe of essentials that reflect your personal style and values, and avoid succumbing to trends or societal pressure to constantly consume more. By adopting a minimalist approach to your wardrobe, you can cultivate a sense of contentment, reduce decision fatigue, and free up space for what truly matters in your life. By incorporating these final strategies into your decluttering process, you can achieve a more minimalist and organized wardrobe that reflects your individual style and values, without feeling overwhelmed by the process.